Hi, I'm Dean. I'm from Mark Lindsay and Son. Had a great time over here learning about Fujitsu and doing our training, diagnosing boards, AC, DC, and figuring out all the other components, learning about the new controls that are out and all the parameters that are on them, and it was a great course. Jim and Rob, they taught us everything, great speaking people, and we had an awesome time. Got to meet some other companies that are out here too. A lot of questions that we had about our struggles were answered and everything, and looking forward to doing another one. It was awesome.